Hey there, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving deep into the Lenco L-3810 turntable. A device that promises to strike the perfect balance between analog charm and digital convenience. Whether you're a vinyl enthusiast or just dipping your toes into the world of turntables, this review will cover everything you need to know. Now, the Lenco L-3810 isn't just your average record player. It's packed with features that cater to both casual listeners and budding DJs alike. Let's start with its design. The L-3810 sports a familiar yet modern look, reminiscent of classic DJ setups. Its plastic chassis, available in white or gray, houses a robust aluminum platter and a J-shaped tone arm that gives it that professional feel. The clear dust cover adds a touch of protection without sacrificing visibility. Moving on to features, this turntable doesn't disappoint. It's a direct drive model, which means quick startup and stable rotational speeds essential for DJs looking to mix seamlessly. It's equipped with a pitch control slider, allowing you to adjust playback speed as needed. A stroboscope and target light aid in precise cueing, perfect for those late-night vinyl sessions. Plus, there's an integrated phono stage and a USB-B output for digitizing. Your vinyl collection, a feature becoming increasingly important in today's digital age. When it comes to setup and usability, the L-3810 is a breeze. Right out of the box, the cartridge is pre-fitted and pre-adjusted, minimizing the initial setup fuss. Connecting it to your existing audio system is straightforward with its stereo RCA outputs. And the controls from power and speed selection to the manual tone arm lift are intuitive and responsive. Let's talk about the most critical aspect: sound quality. The L-3810 delivers a punchy, rhythmic sound with good mid-range detail and decent low-end control. However, it does fall short in high-frequency extension and sparkle, which might leave audiophiles craving a bit more energy and definition. Now, for the value proposition. Priced competitively, the Lenco L-3810 offers a lot for its cost. Whether you're archiving your vinyl collection or just enjoying its robust playback capabilities, it's a solid investment for both newcomers and seasoned enthusiasts. So, should you buy the Lenco L-3810? If you're looking for a versatile turntable that combines affordability with functionality, this could be the one for you. It's not without its minor drawbacks, especially for DJing purposes, but as a straightforward, feature-packed record player, it hits many of the right notes. That wraps up our in-depth review of the Lenco L-3810 turntable. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews and tech insights. Until next time, keep spinning those records.